We already spent 2 nights in Hong Kong, then flew back to Japan for a week. But before going home, we had to come back, and this last night didn't go exactly as planned. Since we're only back for one more night before our flight, we kept things really simple. After landing back in Hong Kong, we checked into our hotel and immediately needed to rest. 7 days in Japan definitely caught up to us, so this stop felt more like a reset than a full travel day. No packed schedule, no rushing, just taking it easy before heading home.
Oh my god, would you guys go on this ride? You are?
Yes, I am.
You're way too dizzy for me. I'm gonna puke.
Later that evening, we went to check out the AIA Carnival. It's set up right by the harbour, so you've got the skyline in the background and all the carnival lights around you. We didn't go too crazy, just walked around, played a few games, and enjoyed the atmosphere. It was a nice way to spend our last night without overdoing it. One thing we really wanted to do before leaving was try Cam's roast goose. It was one of the most famous food spots in Hong Kong and we missed it the first time. But when we got there, the line was over an hour long. And with our flight the next day, waiting that long just didn't make sense. So instead of dining in, we ordered takeaway and brought it back to the hotel. Honestly, after a full week of traveling, that ended up being the better move. We just sat in the room, relaxed, and ate.
Feeling
Eat at the comfort of your hotel room.
Mm.
Oh, crispy.
The roast goose was crispy on the outside, juicy inside, and it's definitely living up to the hype. The next morning, our final day, we packed up our bags, left our suitcases at the hotel, and decided to squeeze in one last thing before heading to the airport. We hadn't done Victoria Peak during our first 2 nights in Hong Kong, so this felt like the right time.
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing.
We took the Peak Tram up, which is steeper than it looks.
Please don't fall in love, 'cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain, can't be nothing. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. When I was looking outside, girl, you got me lost in your eyes. I got you when you're falling. Just know that I won't be here for long. Thinking of you all day, yeah. Running round in my head, all or nothing. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. I want you more than just for a night. I'm just saying, you deserve it. I need you, baby, let me stay by your side. Come and show me.
And at the top, you get the full Hong Kong skyline and Victoria Harbour. It was the perfect final stop before flying home.
I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you.
It didn't exactly go as planned. We skipped the long lines, ate takeaway in a hotel room, and squeezed in Victoria Peak before heading to the airport. But honestly, it ended up being the perfect way to wrap up the trip.
Mango bubble shake, hot honey chicken, shack stack with fried onions, and the hot honey burger.
And that officially wraps up our Hong Kong adventure. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog.